but I got it loose. Yes, I did. You're gonna have to like sit down and kick it. Remember what I did?
Yeah. So now it's just a matter of. So how do you do this again, John? No, I'm kidding.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Oh, these are totally in my way. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Is it dunky good? Dunky time. Oh, poor cat. Still never doesn't scare me.
It's gonna be a reverse squatted truck.
Yeah, exactly.
That works.
Need that cup. Yeah, cool.
This way?
Yeah. Just drop it in. Whoop-pow. Twist it. Now it's spinning. Yeah, that's about what I was able to do with
That's
the
what
other
you were
one.
able to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we've replaced the whole knuckle, the wheel bearing, everything, axle, all that stuff. We have our new lowering spring in here, and yeah, the camera battery died, so I didn't realize it, so we just missed putting all this crap together, so, yep.
You know what sucks?
What?
Is to take out the shock, you gotta remove the.
No, you don't. You take it off at the bottom. Yeah.
I guess. Probably the worst quality ever. It's probably like terrible.
Go take it off.
The most horrible cameraman ever. What? Take the plastic shield off?
Yeah, it just flies off. Whatever, English.
Where do you pry it from? Oh, back here.
Yeah. This is the fun point. Oh, that was easy. Nice. Okay. Now this guy has to go up in there.
So dirty.
I mean, it's a white car, so it's gonna happen.
Yeah. I was wondering if you can't just see this all with your nail first.
I can almost get it with my bare hands. That was easy.
Did it go in like butter?
Yeah. Well, the spring's freaking 3 inches shorter. Okay, time to create canon.
Come.
Done.
That was fast.
Why do you think I don't have a girl? Push down.
Yeah, that is perfect.
This isn't sketchy at all.
Where did the rubber thing go? Oh, there it is.
Oh, this feels so good.
I just realized that you have this jacket on the hitch, maxing out the jack.
Yeah.
When
And
Jack
that-
stands down into the subframe, just
It's
to
fine.
catch it.
It's fine. It's totally okay. Push more. Yeah. Is there less space for this one than the other side?
I might not have disconnected as much as you did.
Nah, I got it.
You were over there ugga-dugging on a few more things than I was. I'll say that much.
Now I just use my freaking elbow as leverage. Not. There's that line there. I gotta get. He didn't. So the shock is like in the way. Something's keeping it from going down.
I'm taking it under my weight.
There. Okay. Hold it. I'm almost done. Oh. Sorry, I just need to see. Sorry, Tim, that's terrible.
The angle, though.
Load her up. Alright.
You got it under?
Yep.
There you go. Beautiful. You got it? There you go.
Ooh, that hurts.